Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to update TeamViewer on Windows. So let's get started the video. Open TeamViewer and then from the left sidebar, click on the Help button. Now from here, click on Check for new version. A pop-up will appear. If there is any update available, click on the update button and follow the on-screen instructions. As you see, there is no update available for me. So that's it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.